I wanted to see Dr. Mastro because I felt the medical system I was in wasn't working for me anymore. I was having some pain in my pelvic floor area, and Dr. Mastro suggested I get that looked at. And I did. I went to my OB/GYN practice, and of course, immediately they recommended surgery. It wasn't for anything major either. I don't feel that bad. My first reaction was, oh my gosh, I need surgery. Now I'm panicked and traumatized like I always am in the medical system. When I got home, I said, wait a minute, you've been doing functional medicine now since November. Remember, the medical system I'm in is not the final authority. So I researched, and there's lots of things I can do before surgery that they didn't tell me. And so that's why I work with Dr. Mastro, because she is helping me heal myself in many other ways besides resorting to surgery and pharmaceuticals. The Cellular Reset program changed my health in several ways. The first one was I came in and we did a lot of lab tests to see where I stood. And I was having a lot of GI difficulties for years, to the point where it was debilitating and I thought I need to go to the hospital, but I never did. So that's the first thing that Dr. Mastro worked on with me through supplements and through changes in my diet, and I'm fine now. And I thought that was a miracle. I mean, it really got me thinking this can work. We're just progressing, and I'm healing a lot of things. So there's a lot of changes I've been going through just by going on this journey. Dr. Mastro's approach to how I look on aging has relieved me, because I'm aging and I've been looking around at other people my age and older, and I see that they're not in good health for the most part, and that's scary. And when Dr. Mastro said, this is going to be the best anti-aging solution that you're going to have, I do feel younger. I feel like I'm strengthening my body. I feel healthier. People are commenting that I look healthy, I look good. And so that is how I want to age. Still getting older, but keeping my health, and that's what I feel that's happening. If there was anything that made me hesitate about working with Dr. Mastro, is that my insurance doesn't cover these visits. So that was difficult. And the way I processed it was to think of this as an investment. I'm an investor. And I thought, I'm going to put some of my investment money aside and invest in my own health. And that's paid off more than probably any other investment right now, because I want to age and feel healthy. What I know now, after working with Dr. Mastro, that I didn't know before, is that I don't have to just blindly follow what a doctor might tell me I have to do. I would recommend Dr. Mastro because she doesn't treat you like a number. You're not a one-size-fits-all. She devotes her time to you specifically when you're with her, and she's going to help you as a team member work on your health. My name is Laura AGADONI. I live in Marietta, Georgia.